amiza u shaki taban magi dir masha le kuda u shaki taban sana kul na gana har fi araida hami ومردا ودرسوا ما يحلونا ولازم انت كان تدخلوا وكان مشي المرات سانتي جسمنا نكو أدلة وكو ماشينا مشي 5 دقيقة ولا 10 دقيقة يشير بعد من الجبال وبعدين تهدوا.
I'm going to distribute this checklist today. It's because like what I said from the beginning, we're going to check every if you're going to start the machine, this is what we have. And I think this one we explained already yesterday, so I'm going to distribute this checklist after this safety meeting.
Ukaka dabi na do checklist amiza hadina fora ya leo ya gasmoku ushokola ni sobu bali na hadu bi mashida kullu ga checklist da asadira gasmoku.
Okay guys, I'm going to share you what happened yesterday about that what do you call that? Land Cruiser, no? Guys, I diagnosed what happened that transmission and differential why it's broken.
Jura يحد لكم شغل أمس كان في ليكس أرتوب ده أمس زاga المشكلة أنا transmission كان فيها 2 ليكس أمس جورا.
Okay, this is what happened. You have a gear 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. This is reverse, okay? If you start running you have to go to number 1. And after that, you go to number 2. You're not going to number 3, 1 to number 3. This is what happened. That's why transmission is get fucked up. That's why they broken. Go number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5. If you're going to reverse, this is a reverse in this area. What happened to this transmission? He go to number 1, and then go to number 3. It's low speed become high speed, so the transmission is get broken. Let's speak to that.
ويا تو وتشيرا كله كده تعرفوا
in vitesse première vitesse, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième ou dans match en arrêt retour. انت بعدين ببريمير فيتيز لازم تجي دeuxième دول تمشي troisième. نادي مع الامس سواقه وتشيرا من بريمير ماتش ديريكت troisième.
ده كري مشكلة أنا ترانسميسيون ده.
It's not acceptable, guys.
ده ما
Maadil. Okay. Other thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. Okay. What happened is if you are in gear number 5. Yeah. If you are gear in number 5 and then your speed in a highway is like 80 kilometer per hour. We are in a bus 80 kilometer per hour, and then your speed is number 5. Instead that you are going to use the brake, this number 5 is going to number 3 to reduce the speed.
قال في كذلك سوق وتير وفيتاس عندك 80 وخلاص وتير ما جار كثير انت جاي في فيتاس 5 ليه يبرد بفرين ده قبل في فيتاس 3 قبل 3 فيتاس وبعد ليه يبرد قبل.
That's why our transmission and differential is broken every week, every month.
كلام ده بس ترانسفير ده يكتلف اي شيء يكتلف.
Guys, it's theoretical. Okay, just follow 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Not like 1, 3, 5, 3. Number 3 transmission broken.
ده الكتاب ده يرسبكتيك فيتاس واي 2 3 4 5 ما تبدا بواي وتقول تمشي في 3 وكده ما دي ولا في 5 تجيب في 3 دي.
Okay, that's why we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already, you can see when you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse. Guys, no, not going 1, 3, 5, 3. Transmission number 3. Now it's already there.
Karam daban
Progress.
fi wacira indina
I just-
numero dol rakam dol gaidin why shinen 3 4 5 lil kalam nu respecte ani tabu
Yeah, it's just working how many days only? 2 weeks. It's already in the parking.
gal khadam usbu shinen bas asa wudu gai fi da rashtalla faris
Now we don't have any more car that we're going to go ATM, Paji, to all our side. Guys, I need your help. I'm alone. What? Sorry. What I'm saying is, I'm here, you guys, to learn something from me. Okay? When you're going to the other company, fuck, Jamena is, I don't want to go. I go to the other company. Listen. Later on, you realize that I am right.
gat manjina wucir kacir be namshi foka faje ite mala keke mafi utotera indina inda lazim ni mashum nakhdu foka adi ya na kulisa idna u gal shokol yabgalo adi gelba yarbuda le ay kula yani ali mashokol wai bakana u asa kan minina naso idin kan khalo jemiya kan masho ya khadmu bakana har daba yurgan uda man odadi una dumadi wasa ke indam an kun magat comprendre lu turu ya kutalu ku pression ke hida ma adi
Guys, I know. I respect you guys. I love you guys.
lu ga respecting tu
But please help me. I don't want to happen every time like it's a responsibility, you know. You have to think. You have to realize that we are in a bus. We cannot get the parts right away. We have how many weeks we're going to wait.
gal anna gadi fi kadadi u kimen sura tabu reglement adi
So yeah, that's all I have. No, thank you guys. I'm happy to you guys who are here every 6:30 in the morning. Just keep going, okay? I think that's all for me. I just remind you guys. I'm here to remind you. I'm here to give you some advice. If you need something that you don't know exactly, don't hesitate. I'm here.
galu dor yashkur ku katir ashan gateji yoki fi set meeting o kalam gai hadiloku kata sumu da kula dil lakin nanu kan inda swal wala shokol fatarasa alima ma turistik talulo kasalo yagar telephone
The excavator operator, thank you guys. Mechanic, forklift operator, guys, it's awesome. I'm happy for you guys how you're going to help our equipment. So I'm happy for you guys. Mechanic team, Papa Anas, welder team, you guys is very good. So like what I said, I just remind you how to use a gear. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just follow that one. Not going to number 5 to number 3, 1 to number 3. It's damage the transmission. So that's all for me. I'm happy you guys are here, and I don't know what I'm going to say, but like what I said, I'm happy for you guys here.
galu farkan kalam gat respecter regla no operateur dol ma mécanicien dol ayo yan so ikuma na mu gaidin jai sikime da adil mu kalam ga hadi kulga tasmoda da adil lakin batan gabal fi mishka na biteza tabada bi wai tamshi 3 5 dol ma adil wala bi 5 tujib fi 3 dol ma adil
Okay, shukran. Okay, shukran. Mashallah. It's very hot, no? So, sukol na sway. Okay. Shukran. Katir.
يمشي برجلينه ورينا سالي دول يوديكم بشريه
Dito.
شكرا
Hey! Saya! You know! Sorry, mali sir.
Drive. Yang ako, hydraulic ako. Hydraulic sih. Ayan.
Apa, malu mo? Alin sa pan? Alin, OZ. Thank you, Maji. That's it. Good morning everyone. Yes, Bike TV vlog po. Dito po ako sa what do you call that? Bulldozer na SD16 and with Maji and Hamid and Arun. Okay. So what we're doing for now is we're going to install the sleeve. We received the sleeve last night. It's yesterday, no? Yesterday. The what do you call the trailers coming yesterday with Hamid. So finally we received the sleeve and ito nga po i-install na po namin and hopefully na ma-install namin ng sleeve and also the piston ring. Okay. So ayan po, papakita ko po sa inyo. Ito po. So but actually na-install na po namin yung isa just press it down. Yeah. So meron po kaming installer na pinagawa sa Jamena and para yung alignment po niya is maganda So yan po. And then so ngayon nga ganun nga po na-install namin yung sleeve and yung the second yung second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So ayan po yung sleeve and yun nga po sinishare ko lang po sa inyo and hopefully na may makuha kayo dun sa sinishare ko sa inyo na video po